Marketing intelligence is a process or the strategy which is adopted by the company in expanding its market presence through gathering information from competitors, customers, and various other market players. Let us move on to the another segment, marketing intelligence. Marketing intelligence is an activity that provides a company with a view of market using existing source of information to understand what is happening in the marketplace, what are the issues that are faced in the market, what the competitors are doing, what the customers are doing, what the customers are expecting from the companies, and so on. There are two types of marketing intelligence sources. One is marketing intelligence from the internal data, existing customer databases, web analytics, test marketings are the sources of information which is available internally within the company. This helps to understand what the customers are really searching for and what they want. And the second one is marketing intelligence from the external data. This means the source and analyzing the already published information to build a picture of a market and try to answer some of the specific commercial questions like what is market potential, competitors' future plans, and customers' expectations, their purchasing power, etc. Marketing intelligence softwares can be deployed using an on-premises or software as a service model. These systems take data from disparate data sources like web analytics, business intelligence, call centers, sales data, which often come separate reports and put them into a single environment. The entire concept of market intelligence is based on military sciences, where it is known fact that no army can win a war without good and effective, timely information on enemy forces and region in which the war is going to be fought. In industrial marketing, the intelligence system has two components: customer intelligence system and competitors intelligence system. Customer intelligence provides useful information on customers' business preferences, loyalties, personal demographic details. This helps in handling customer calls and provide services as they want. Competitors intelligence provides information on strengths and weaknesses of each competitor in the territory, the strategy and the tactics that is being used by them, and how the customers procure competitors' brands. Marketing intelligence can involve collecting data from posts, tweets, and other social media. This type of market intelligence overlaps with some of the forms of market research and with public relations monitoring. Some companies, where the volume of data, that is called big data, together with the need to manage and monitor across multiple languages and multiple domains. Social media can provide companies with good insights into the mood of market about a new product that has been launched, and it can even provide very specific details and suggestions for product and service improvement. From data point of view, there are very large sources of data and IT tools for social media monitoring that needs to be at large scale in order to scrape the data from a wide range of search engines. There is also some caution necessary over how representative views are taken care. A structure of discussions online also needs to be taken into consideration. Although online conversations might not be representative, it is quite possible that they include or influence important opinion leaders. Some of the big data issues also needs to be addressed by the companies under social media monitoring relating to marketing research and marketing intelligence. Thank you and all the best.